In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Airbnb promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then at the search box type in Airbnb promo code and then hit search. It moves you to that search results where you can find a lot of different websites that contains promo codes. You can open up any of that sites. For example, here I got 8 different promo codes. The first one gives me $75 off. I can hit there at more details to get some extra information about that coupon code, and then I can hit at show coupon to see the discount code. I can here tap on that sign to copy it to my clipboard, and then I can move to Airbnb website or mobile application where I can use that promo code before I pay any money. Just don't forget to enter that promo code and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that coupon code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and from here try to use another one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.